How to change your profile picture in Amazon shopping. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can completely change the profile and add a new one. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see your profile icon. Simply tap on this profile icon. Now here on the left top, simply tap on your name. Here you can see your account name. Again, tap on it. So here in this account settings. Here on the top, on the right hand side, you'll be able to see this small edit button. Tap on this edit button and here simply tap on change profile photo. So here you can automatically choose any one of the photo from your gallery. So simply select the photo that you want to change and it will be enabled, and later it will show the same picture too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.